One of the maxims of Saint Chavra is regular reading of good books and meditating on it illumine the mind. Saint Chavra says book reading is important because it develops our thoughts and increases our knowledge.
Hello everyone, this is Palash Khator from class 12th A, St. Thomas Senior Secondary School, Mandsaur, and I am going to enlighten you about book reading and its benefits. Book reading is a mental exercise that increases our focus beyond its limits. It also increases our critical thinking ability through the stimulation of our brain. In today's economy, many of the successful business leaders such as Warren Buffett and Bill Gates devote 1 hour daily to their book reading. Now, my friends will share their book reading experiences with you so that the importance of book reading will become more clear to you. So please look forward to them.
Hello everyone, I'm Sania. The book which I read was The Story of My Life. It's an autobiography of Helen Keller. Helen Keller, one of the most wonderful personalities ever walked upon earth. This book shows us the perception of a person who has been denied sight and sound and struggles to understand the world and interact with the people around her. Helen Keller faced many disabilities in her life. She was blind, deaf and dumb. An ordinary person would lose hope in such a situation, but Helen's attitude was beyond compromise. With the help of her mentors, she overcame her disabilities and even went to college. This book can be an inspiration for everyone. It's a must-read book for everyone. It will immerse you in a different world. Thank you.
Myself Yashika Lavani from class 12th of St. Thomas Senior Secondary School, Mandsaur. The book I read is called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. The story revolves around a lawyer, Julian Mental, who had 7-digit salary, owned private jets and a red shiny Ferrari, obsessed with his work. His eventual wake-up call came when he suffered from a heart attack and he decided to sell all his materialistic possessions and went to Himalayas. So this story revolves around the power of simplicity and profound wisdom.
Myself, Nanika Lavani from St. Thomas Senior Secondary School, Mandsaur. The book that I read is Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. This is a story about beautiful horse named Beauty who was initially raised well by his mother and a kind farmer, but later faced many difficulties as the owners who bought him did not treat well. So the lessons I learned from this book are: animals are creatures that feel pain, love and joy. Animals need to be treated with care and not used and abused for the end of others.
Hello, I am Sudhanshu Nayan. I read the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. These habits are: first, be proactive. Being proactive simply means being responsible for your own deeds. Second, begin the mind with the end. While putting efforts for any work, think the end consequences about it. This fear will keep pushing you. Third, put first things first. The key is not to prioritize your schedule but to schedule your priorities. Begin your day with the most important thing. Fourth, think about the win. Whatever we keep repeating in our mind become reality eventually. So why not to surround it with the constructive thoughts? Fifth, first seek to understand and then to be understood. Rather than hurriedly coming on a conclusion, analyze the situation deeply and then act on it. Sixth, synergize. Open up your mind. Accept the flaws and differences in others and yourself. And then act on it. Don't put blame of your failures on others. Seventh, sharpen the saw. Sharpen your observation of seeing everything around. You can learn many things. It's the matter of your perspective.
I hope you have understood the importance and benefits of book reading. So let us make book reading a habit and also inspire others to do so, as it can lead to a happy and a successful life. Thank you so much.